To be honest, when they removed my desktop printer, I felt like a lost friend I had for a long time. It wasn't the best feeling in the world. There was a lot of wastage and unnecessary print that could have been avoided.
We had rising expenses. Each department was using their own vendors and brands for their printing requirements. That was not ideal because I had to account for the cost efficiency. Imagine a system where anyone can print anything, anyone can install any printer. We had challenges with compatibility, security, and cost.
I needed to reach out to my trusted friends at Juma Al Majid. Having worked for 10 years with them with Konica Minolta machines in use, I knew they could have a solution that ticks all boxes: system security, compatibility, and most importantly, cost savings, waste reduction, and commitment towards high standard of environmental practices.
The results have been outstanding. Our management is very happy.
That's right. All S.K.M offices across UAE implemented Konica Minolta managed print services. It was a smooth transition into the new system.
The cost savings on toners and consumables alone is 25%. Electricity is another point of saving.
Paper consumption has fallen by half due to preset system preferences. We have saved 10,000 sheets and still counting. It is in line with our CSR commitments toward environment.
The disposal of consumables is in line with the best practices as per ISO standards.
And I can proudly present reports of per user and per department. Our accounts department and internal auditors are very pleased.
Thanks to the on-site training support by Juma Al Majid consultants, each one of us is now an expert at printing. We can print from any machine and not wait in a queue. Any excesses can be always assigned to department expenses. What's more, I feel my friend is back bigger and stronger than before. To be honest, I think the little walk to the printer is keeping us fit.